in love with you. Whatever you want to do is all right with me. 'Cause you make me feel so brand new. I want to spend my life with you. Miss.
This is for the person that keeps liking all my posts. Thanks. It actually means a lot to me. That's all.
Don't be shocked. You're shocked? You're shocked?
I was just checking to see if I went viral. No? Okay. Let's check one more time.
You're pretty. You have a car. 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 You have a job. You got your own money. He's ugly. No car. And he broke.